Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are guys doing great there, and I'm also doing great here. And now I have Aerox here, all black, and I set up the GoPro here and there. And as you can see behind me, it's really nice nature and growing the corn, which is feel very calm and like feel so good with nature. Guys, my today destination is ALTAVISTA. So alright guys, I'm heading to ALTAVISTA. Now the climate is very nice to ride because if there is sun, it's damn hot. So today weather is very nice for riding, and yeah, everything's perfect. And now I'm heading to ALTAVISTA, which is very high hill of this island. So I heard from someone, if we go more upper we'll feel very cold, more upper, more cold. So actually this island is very hot, but if you go there, you can feel you are not in this island because it feels very cold over there. The road is very nice. It's not crowded. It's almost empty road. But sometimes the dog and the animals enchantly cross the road. That's very dangerous. Otherwise, it's really nice. You can see ahead, Tora, so cute. I think they are family. You can see ahead there is motor riding, and exactly middle there is small kids. Isn't it very risky? It's very risky. See, you can see there. So ALTAVISTA is going this way. Yeah, baby. I'm going to ALTAVISTA Hill. So it's all steep road. The road is very nice. See? Oh, it's really carved. I feel like I'm going to Bandipur. Bandipur is like a famous place of the Nepal. There is a like very old house which is made by brick, red brick. So most of the tourists are used to go there when they at least goes Nepal. They will not miss that place. And you can feel also very cold there. It's really like a very nice place there also. So I'm feeling I'm going that place because that one also like a steep road going top of the hills, and feeling a little bit cold. Yeah, now I feel here also a little bit cold. Yeah. Place is very nice. Maybe if you're gonna stay over here, you don't need aircon, man. You don't need. Oh, I got those new friends. Today no school.
Yeah, we have school, but not serious.
Not serious?
Oh.
you,
Yes.
you did absent?
No.
So this guy are
We're
very cool.
preparing for Boy Scout.
Yeah, this one is what is this called? This one, kite.
Kite.
Oh, so you,
Here we call it ugong-ugong.
gong.
Ugong-ugong.
Oh, that's cool. So these guys are going to fly this kite. You made yourself that one?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. Oh. So you guys are living here or?
No, we're just visiting here.
Okay. From?
Huh?
Where are you guys from?
We're-
Poro.
they-
Poro.
they-
More upper than Poro. Ah, okay.
we're from here. Not this.
Not this place.
Not
Ah, okay. I got it. What you're trying to say. Here is also nice, like a plane, I'm almost top of the mountain. Wow, I feel so cold here. Almost here, but it looks like. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, is it possible to go inside?
Oh.
Okay, da? Thank you. Maybe I have to open this one. According to them, I can go inside, but here is no one. I would like to park here. because here is a little bit shade of trees, so the visitors can sit over there, but it looks so old. You can see from here, guys. See, this is the top height of this island. You can see the hills are all small compared with where I'm now, and you can see that this one is the ocean, and the other part, that one is the lake, which is called Danau Lake. I can hear the sounds of chicken also, which feels so I'm now in province. Like, province life also different life, man. I have an experience in Nepal. It's feeling so, like feeling different kinds of feeling, there is, very nice life in the province also. This is the highest hills of this island, and yeah, it was a good ride also, and I feel like a little bit cold here and compare there down, and yeah, and hope you guys like my video, and thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.